Hi everyone, it's Ian here from RFI. And over the last month or so, we've been out and about at a number of four-wheel drive shows around Australia. And I've had the opportunity to talk to lots of customers. And during our chats with the customers about our antennas, one of the things we talk about all the time is our patented meander design. And so we get lots of questions about that. So today I thought I'm going to start off right now and show you our patented meander design, and we're going to have a closer look inside our antenna and some of the competition. So here's an opened up view of our CDQ 5000, our patented meander antenna. And as you can see, there's the flexible PCB, which I showed you earlier. You can see this one, you can see where it's connected to the cable, so we've got one solder joint where it's connected. And the fantastic thing about this antenna is we can just produce hundreds and hundreds of thousands of these, and they're exactly the same every time. They're going to deliver the same performance every time. But if we go and have a look at the competition's product, and I'm just going to grab one here. Here's the competition's product. What they've got inside is basically an elevated feed type antenna. Nothing wrong with the RF design itself. But the problem here is number of failure points. We've got a solder joint here, and you can see these guys do whatever they can to pad the antenna to reduce the potential breakage of the antenna inside the radar. I'll grab you one of it. Another guys. Here's someone else's. This is an interesting one. So the antenna itself starting up here, and they've got a bit of cable to make the antenna look longer than it probably needs to be. So again, you can see this. It's a much more complicated design. We've got wire, we've got bits of fiberglass, we've got padding there, trying to hold the whole antenna together. So the reason customers, people like the emergency services and the police, use our design is it is the best quality product. You can trust it, you can rely on it. I won't say it's virtually unbreakable, but just because of the design, there's just minimum chances that you're going to have any problems with the product. So that's why the emergency services use it, and that's why you guys can trust it. So thanks for today. Next week, we're going to do a video. We're going to start talking about a bit of RF theory, and we've had some customers ask us to talk about gain and patterns and things like that. So the next video you're going to see from me, we're going to talk about sort of gain of antennas and how you can choose an antenna and the right gain for your sort of driving you're going to do. So until next time, stay safe.